There are two major reasons why I love web development. The first one is because it's so easy to get started. Basically, all you need is a computer because every computer comes with an editor that you need in order to write the documents you need in order to make a website or a web application. And on a Mac, that application is TextEdit. So I'm just going to make a new document. On a Windows, by the way, that would be probably Notepad. So it's really, really simple, but I'll show you. So right now I'm writing in TextEdit, and if I start writing like the quick brown fox, right? I can make it bold or whatever. This kind of stuff is called rich text. If I can like bold and italicize it and you see the visual appearance change, that is rich text. But in order to write web pages, you need to write in plain text, but it's super easy. In TextEdit, you go to Format, Make Plain Text, it'll convert it. That's fine. So you can see here that like the text is just very, very simple. In fact, let me just bump up the font here. I'm going to save the file. I'm going to save it onto my desktop, and for now I'm going to call it index.html. It's important, just doesn't really matter what you call this, but for now, put .html so that your computer will recognize this as a file to open up in your web browser. So I'm going to save that, and I'm going to make sure to use HTML here. And now I'm going to open it. And this is the second part that I love about web development, is that getting to see the results is so fast. So all I did was save that document, opened up in my web browser, and now I see the quick brown fox. But look what happens if I change this to the traditional first program everyone writes as hello world. I save it, and I come back here, refresh, boom, hello world. I instantly see the results. So those are the two things I like about web development. It's so easy to get started, and you can instantly see the fruits of your labor. So the point of the internet basically is so that people can share information. So let's just take like this is probably not the type of information that people are typically sharing with each other, but let's take maybe a more typical example. So first of all, I'm going to just put these side by side in my Mac. So now we can see both at the same time. Here's the editor on the left-hand side, and here is the web browser on the right-hand side. All right, so let's just take a typical example of like a blog page. I might want to say like vacationing is awesome. This is the page that I want to share with everybody. So that's like kind of the title of my page, and then maybe I'll say here are a few spots I've been to recently. I'm gonna say maybe like Miami, Florida, Hawaii, Paris, France. All right. And I might say, all right, let's just get a picture of like the Eiffel Tower. All right, so I have a picture of the Eiffel Tower, and I'm going to just copy the image address. That would be this link right here. I'm going to say, here's a photo I took of the, how do you spell that? Eiffel Tower. And I'm going to paste that link in there. All right. And this is why I love vacationing so much. And then I'll have some other like filler paragraph text. So let me save that. And I come in here and I'll refresh, and this isn't exactly what I was expecting to see. All the text seems to be jumbled into like one paragraph. Vacationing is awesome. Here are a few spots I've been to recently, Miami, Florida. It's just all one big blob of text. So stay tuned for the next video so that I can show you how we're going to fix that.